This is Frank with Car Story. It is July 1st, 2025, and I'm going to walk past this row of Broncos and see what they cost today. They are all being discounted, so let's look at the MSRP and the advertised price. I'll start with this base Bronco. This is probably the least expensive four-door Bronco you're going to get. No Sasquatch package. Doesn't even have a running board. They're asking $40,939, and they want their money for those upgraded wheels, and the tint is $279. The MSRP is $41,880, just to give you an idea. Now, from experience, I can tell you, don't buy a Bronco if you're not going to get the Sasquatch package. Do you really want to look like this around town? This looks like a lifted Ford Flex. What would you want this for? This thing looks a little bit sparse. Come on. This brings shame to the Bronco name. They will take $41,675. The tint is $289. I guess that's about right for tint. I don't know what quality tint that is. I don't know how good it is, but that's what they want for it. I'm sure you can negotiate that down. This looks like a base Bronco. And it is a base Bronco. MSRP was $43,475. They will take $41,675. This is a Big Bend. Let's take a look at the Big Bend over here. MSRP is $44,255. They will take $41,780. Just a Big Bend. At least the wheels look a little bit better than the base. But still unacceptable. In my world, that's unacceptable. Here is an Outer Banks. You can always tell by the collar matched wheel fenders. MSRP $51,925. They will take $48,628. Do not like color matched mirror caps or wheel fenders. It's just not that's not my thing. This is more what you want. You want a Wildtrak because it comes with everything. Just has the Sasquatch package. MSRP $68,275. Wow, the hardtop is $21,990. Wow. But they will take $59,120. And your tint is $179. But this is the setup you want on a Bronco. I like these running boards. I think I do. I feel them flexing a little. Maybe I don't like them. I'm changing my mind. No, I like my running boards better. But still, it's a nice Bronco. You get your 35s, 315/70s, and a 17-inch wheel. And these ride surprisingly smooth on the road, and they do very well off-road. I know from experience with my Big Bend Sasquatch package Bronco. I love my Bronco. But this is more of what you want. You want a Wildtrak. $68,275. I believe that was the MSRP on the last one. $60,441. Can you handle it? Would you pay this for this Wildtrak? Would you pay that? As kind of an outdated comparison, in 2021, my Bronco cost $47,200. There's my Bronco now coming in for an oil change. I have the 2.7 liter Big Bend with the Sasquatch package, always looking good. Antimatter blue is the color, discontinued. It was a one-year only color, but there it is, going into the shop now to get its oil changed. This one, Badlands, $69,045, 2.7 liter. All those Wildtraks before had the 2.7 liter, by the way. Leather trim. It's kind of like a vinyl. It's really not leather. It's leatherish. Hardtop is $26.95. Sasquatch package is $3,045. And it's sold! Someone bought this one. This one's sold. What's this color? Desert sand. Wildtrak 2.7 liter. It's the engine you want. 68,275. Hard top adds 2190. Removable hoop step? Is that what these are? $495 for these. But this Wildtrak they will take. 58,941. Can you handle it? Like the steel bumper. That I like. Here we have an eruption green 4-door Bronco Wildtrak. 68,570. The color cost you $295. It's got the steps. That's an add-on. 59,206 is what they'll take. So, I mean, they're being discounted pretty nice. Would you buy it? I mean, it's almost a $10,000 discount. Would you do it? These aren't bad vehicles at all. I love mine. But I don't know if I would spend $60,000 plus tax and title on one. Here's another one. A lot of Wildtrak. 68,570, just like the last one. That'll take 6706. And here we got another base Bronco. And you got a Badlands up there, but you know I'm not climbing up there. Is that a 42? It's got to be a 42, right? 42008. Plus they want money for the wheels and the tint. Do not buy one of these. Unless you're going to do everything yourself, I guess. If you're going to add all your own suspension and wheels and stuff, that's something different. But if you're buying this to leave it like it is, don't do that. You have to get the Sasquatch package, or you might as well get a Ford Explorer, really. Just get a Ford Explorer otherwise. There's no Monroney label on the windows. Same seats as mine. This is what I have. Same interior I have. Oh, different center console. This is looks different. It's padded with the stitching. I don't have that. Not bad. It's very functional. You can get this stuff wet all over. It doesn't matter. I like it a lot. I like the Broncos. I think it's a very underrated vehicle, I think, and it's way better than a Jeep. Trust me. So no Monroney label on this one, huh? Is it in the seat or something? There it is. It's on the back seat. Here's a Monroney label. It's 43,080, and all you're paying for is the hardtop and the 10-speed transmission, which is fine in this car. I've had zero problems with it. And that's got to be 42,008. So there you go. And let's not forget the Bronco Raptor over here on the pad. 85,010. Remember when these were being marked up $30,000? I do, and I have videos about that on my channel. Let's take a look at the window sticker. It's 97,020. They will take 85,10. Wow. It's quite a discount. Wow, how things changed, huh? How things have changed. I'd love to try one. I'd like to ride on these 37s for a little while. See how it compares to the 35s. It's not that I don't like it. I just don't think it's worth $90,000 out the door. It's just, I don't think it'd be much different than the Bronco that I have. Very nice though. I like how this is color matched. Those are huge wheel fenders, huge. The interior is really nice too. I really love the seats. The interior is really nice. I mean, come on. That is a nice interior, I gotta say. I have the same buttons on my wheel. I like the Raptor badge. Yeah, basically have the same buttons. I don't have this, of course. Those I don't have, and these I don't have, but you know, basically it's the same. I like this like Mustang style wheel. I kind of like that. These are the running boards I like right here. Those are nice. But how times have changed, huh? I mean, they were trying to get 30,000 over sticker for these. So if you're one of the people that paid the high markup for one of these, let us know. And how do you feel about your decision now? Because you'll be the last one to pay that price for it. $85.10. Those seats are a $24.95 upgrade, and then you're paying for the beadlock capable wheels, $19.95. Really? They're forged? These are forged beadlock wheels? Wow. Okay, well, that I did not know. Learned something new today. If you like this one, get on down here and grab it. I do like the wheel. Looks pretty nice. Well, that has been a quick look at the Bronco inventory at my local Ford dealer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Those two things really help the channel get promoted and inspire me to make more videos. Because if no one's watching, liking, or subscribing, what's the point? Let's be honest. Anyway, I'll be here for the next hour, waiting for my oil to be changed. I've only put 9,800 miles on the Bronco in 3.5 years. And it's an excellent vehicle. I could definitely recommend a Bronco. It's been wonderful. And maybe I'll make a 10,000 mile review about that Bronco in the next few weeks. It depends on you guys. Do you want to see a 10,000 mile review on my Bronco? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.